Hi everyone, well done on your hard work yesterday on looking at our acrostic poems and learning all about the features of those poems. So you were able to list all of the features or everything that a acrostic poem has, and then you were able to identify that on a poem that I had posted on our class website. And I saw some beautiful examples from Dragonfly's class who had done this really well. Okay, so today we're going to be learning to be able to classify, so that means to sort acrostic poems and poems that are not acrostic poems. So there are different types. We want to be able to tell the difference between acrostic poems and poems that aren't acrostic ones. So first of all, what I'd like you to do to recap yesterday's learning is I would like you to think and talk to this camera or talk to an adult next to you or brother or sister next to you, and I'd like you to try and remember all of the features of an acrostic poem. So what were the things you were labelling on the poem yesterday? Have a think. So, hopefully you said that there is a heading or a topic word that runs all the way down in a line on the poem. Hopefully you said that the poem is all written all about the topic word, so it all links to the topic hidden word. Hopefully you said that acrostic poems don't have to rhyme. Hopefully you also said that the lines don't have to be the same length all the time. And if you got the fifth and final one, that they can include some poetic devices like similes and alliteration. I wonder if you can quickly tell the person next to you or tell the camera, tell me, what is alliteration? I hope I heard you say that it is when you've got a sentence and every word in that sentence starts with the same letter. So, like, for example, what can I see in my living room? The safe sofa, perhaps. Or maybe what else can I see? Ooh, the terrific television. So when you've got two letters that start at the same are the same at the beginning of each word in the sentence. Right, I wonder now if you can tell the camera or tell someone in the room with you, what is a simile? Well, hopefully you said that it's when you describe something as something else to help in our minds make us visualize what that thing really looks like. So if I say something is as fluffy as a cloud, that makes you think, oh goodness, that is really fluffy. So hopefully you said that's what a simile is. Right, today you're going to have a go at sorting some poems. So on the website you will find a document and it's got 6 different poems in there. I want you to draw a table in your book, and if you look on the timetable for today you'll see an example drawn. You need to label 1 column acrostic poems and 1 column non-acrostic poems. Then I want you to write in each column which poem goes under each heading. Okay, so if you read the timetable that will become a little bit clearer. And then once you've sorted them, I'd like you to choose just one of those poems that's in your acrostic poem column, and I'd like you to write a sentence saying that you know it is an acrostic poem and why you know. How do you know that? What are the features of it that you can see in there that tells you it's an acrostic poem? And then I'd like you to pick one of the poems that you don't think is an acrostic poem and write another sentence saying which one you think isn't and why you think that it isn't, so that we can see your thinking and see that you understand how to tell the different types of poems apart. Okay, so to be clear, I just want you to do that. So we're not doing any writing of our own poems at the moment. We are just sorting these poems. So have a go at that task and don't forget to send a picture to your teacher. Good luck!